Hello, 你好, this is Fat Cherry. If you are listening to this story for the first time, you can click on the YouTube subtitles feature to make sure you can see the English subtitles. For the second time, you can try to turn off the English subtitles to practice your Chinese listening and see how much you can understand. Now let's get started. The story is about the origin of the Mid-Autumn Festival, 中秋节。相传很久以前，天上曾有10个太阳，人间灾难连连。后来神箭手后羿射下9个太阳，拯救了人类，因此大家都很尊敬他，纷纷前来拜师学艺。后羿的妻子嫦娥是位美丽善良的女子，他们相亲相爱，生活得很幸福。后来后羿收了一个叫庞蒙的徒弟，并传授他狩猎技艺。有一天，后羿带着徒弟们到昆仑山狩猎，遇到了西王母。西王母赠给后羿一包长生不老药。后羿回到家，把药交给嫦娥，说：“这是西王母赠予我的仙药，据说服下此药能升天成仙。”谁知这些话被躲在窗外的庞蒙偷听到了。嫦娥小心地将药藏进了梳妆台的百宝匣里。8月15那天，后羿带着徒弟们外出狩猎。心怀鬼胎的庞蒙假装生病，留了下来。大家刚走一会儿，庞蒙就手持宝剑闯进门来，威逼嫦娥交出仙药。嫦娥趁着庞蒙不注意，拿出药一口吞了下去。嫦娥刚吞下药，身子就慢慢飘离了地面，飞出了窗口，向天上飞去。由于嫦娥牵挂着丈夫，便飞到了离人间最近的月亮上，成了仙。后羿回家后知道了这件事，又惊又怒，要去杀恶徒。可是庞蒙早吓得逃走了。后羿大声呼唤着嫦娥，可是嫦娥再也回不来了。这时后羿惊奇地发现，今晚的月亮格外皎洁，而且里面有个身影，很像嫦娥。他拼命朝月亮追去，可是他追3步，月亮就退3步，无论怎样也追不上。后羿只好在花园里摆上香案，放上嫦娥平时最爱吃的鲜果石饼，向月宫里的妻子表达思念之情。乡亲们闻知嫦娥奔月成仙的消息后，纷纷在月下摆设香案，向善良的嫦娥祈求吉祥平安。由于8月15正值中秋，从此中秋节拜月的风俗就在民间传开了。直到今天，一家人围坐在一起欣赏中秋明月夜，仍是中秋佳节必不可少的活动之一。The story is over. Don't forget to eat mooncakes with your family during the Mid-Autumn Festival. If you like today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye!